Hello everybody, how you doing? We're here at AAPEX 2022. My name is Preston. I'm here to display the KM100. Now, this is a new tool that hit the market for Autel. We just came out with it in April, and it's a powerful tool to help you out with key programming and your smart keys. Now, this tool right here is a full standalone key programming tool. So with this tool, you have the ability to do generation and programming of keys to the car. Now, if you are in a situation where you have a GM vehicle, let's call it a Chevy Equinox, and the customer doesn't have a key in an all keys lost situation, you can use our tool to generate the key program you need, whether it's a 315 or 433 frequency, depending if it's remote start, and then go ahead and program the key to the car. Now you have a happy customer and a full solution where it's cost effective and it's pure profit. You can't beat that in today's world. Now with our IKEYs, our generation, what we do here is, this is specifically our premium razor key. It is a 3-button or 4-button configuration. If you are working on, I would say, any BMW that we do support within our tool, you'll be able to create the generation of the key between 315 and 433 frequency. Now we have other keys that do set up with the tool between our premium keys, which are OEM lookalikes, and our standard keys that do come in a button configuration between 2-button all the way to 8-button. Now with that being set up, if you have a car that has a combination of a hatchback or doors that need to slide open, you have your solution right here at a very economical price. Again, pure profit for your company. That's always a good thing.